सॉरी गाइज, मेरे बाल बिल्कुल सेट नहीं हो रहा है, तो अगर तेरे नाम जैसा हेयर स्टाइल बन गया तो सलमान खान जैसा, तो मुझे प्लीज़ माफ़ कर देना. हाय गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू बी रिव्यूइंग TTDI contact lenses. Now I saw a lot of Instagram ads and a lot of international YouTubers talk about this, and I was really excited. So I got these. So yeah, if you're interested, please keep on watching. Now talking about the website, it has so many shades. Like, I have not come across a brand who has so many shades or so many colors for lenses, because like, I have tried a lot of brands and a lot of lenses. Honestly, I've been wearing lenses. A little backstory, okay? I have been wearing lenses for the past 5 years now, and yeah, I have been into colored lenses. I really love those lenses, and yeah, I do wear lenses because I have power, high power. Matlab, you could call me half blind, utna power. One huge disclaimer, guys, this does not come really quick. Like, trust me, it took 30 days, exact 30 days to arrive. So the order was placed on August 17th and I received it exactly on September 17th. So on the website it does say that it takes 30 to 40 days, which I am happy about, because if they are being honest, and they're giving you clarity upon that, then at least you have some kind of expectation set in your head. But if they didn't, then I would have been really upset. I got these. I really love the packaging. I'm just going to unbox it in front of you to show you how, cute this website is. I'll tell you why. So this is how the packaging looks like, and when you open it, I'm not sure how I'm going to fare with this on camera, because I really don't want to drop anything. So I'll just, yahi se dikha deti hu main. So this is stickers hai thode. I don't know for what I should use these. Matlab, if I would have been young, I would have probably stuck these on my notebook or pencil box, लेकिन अभी तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. Yeah, I don't know what I'd do with these stickers, but I'm happy. मतलब कुछ मेरे फ़ायदे का नहीं हुआ तो भी, मतलब उन्होंने मेरे लिए कुछ गिफ्ट भेजा है, कुछ फ्री भेजा है, तो यार I'll be happy ना. So yeah, this is cute. I also got these, like, tattoos. You remember we used to get these tattoos. किसमें मिलता था यार? वूबा में मिलता था क्या? But we used to get किसी के साथ तो we used to get such tattoos, and वो ऐसे लगा के we used to put water, dab, and then remove, and then we used to be so happy that we have tattoos. So I'm still happy that I got these. I don't know if I'm really going to be using them, but probably I'll try. These look really pretty, and glad that they are colored. So, but I'm not sure कितने दिन तक रुकेगा or what, or anything. It's just a card that says hello. It's TTDI. TTDI stands for the third eye. Yes. I got lashes. Lashes देते हैं यार गिफ्ट में. It's so cute. आप lenses ले लो, आपको इतनी सारी चीज़ें गिफ्ट में देते हैं, which is just so cute. And these lashes are such good quality. Like, कोई free में मिली हुई चीज़ का you can't expect a lot of quality, right? But they are of such good quality. Let me show it to you. This is from a brand called Lash Theatre. I don't know where this is available. Okay, they have a website and they have an Instagram handle. I will leave it down in the description box. But these are handmade mink lashes, 100% cruelty free, which is really good. It doesn't have a glue though, but I do have a glue, so that is not a problem. But trust me, this is of such good quality. Like, they just feel so natural. Like, look at it. Some lashes have those really plasticky feel to them. Pack lashes को नहीं होते ऐसे plasticky feel, but it's not very natural feeling as well. But this feels exactly like your eyelashes. This feels like human lashes, like human hair. Like, trust me. अभी तो एक glitter जैसी चीज़ है, which I really don't know what to use it for, because it's not like those eye glitters. It's just like glitter paper, like paper के टुकड़े लगते हैं. I'll show you. I'll pick one and show you. Yeah. If you बार-बार गिरा रही हूँ. If you know what this is used for, please comment down below and let me know, क्योंकि मुझे तो कोई आइडिया नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी कि हाँ चलो कुछ तो मिल गया फ्री में. सो पैकेजिंग वाइज रियली क्यूट, रियली गुड, really pretty. Extra gifts मुझे मिल गए. I don't need anything else. I'm happy. Okay. So the next thing that I have here is I got 3 contact lenses. All of these 3 shades are like really famous and really, you know, one of the best selling shades. So that's the reason I got them. And now they have this offer on their website going on, which is if you buy 2 you get 1 free, if you buy 3 you get 2 free. Okay. So their lenses are not really highly priced, considering the fact that these lenses are prescription. So if you have number wale lenses ban jate hain, you just have to enter it on the website, your power, and you will get it accordingly. Plus these are 1 year prescription lenses. So for 1 year, if the price is somewhere around 1,800, I don't really mind paying that amount because it is for 1 year, yaar, and it is colored. What else do you need? And these are lens cases, boxes nahi hai, cute. Now in this they have this tweezer sort of a thingy to pick up those lenses, which I like the idea of, but I'm not sure how practical it's going to be, so we'll see that. This is the case. It's a pretty normal case, matlab if you have used lenses you know aise cases to milte rehte hain. And then it has something like this. This I'm excited about because this is to, you know, like लेंस उठा के लगाने के लिए है and ये लेंस निकालने के लिए है, right? But I'm also really scared because I have not used this. I always use my hands to do that, but we'll see. We'll see if I am comfortable doing that. This is a mirror. एक छोटू सा mirror दिया है, which is very good. I think it's very thoughtful of them because lens लगाते वक्त you know you have to like वरना mirror की एकदम पास चले जाना पड़ता है. तो if you have a handheld mirror, it's very easy. So this doesn't have a क्या बोलते हैं उसको handle, but otherwise it's good. It's pretty decent and yeah, it is magnifying. So yeah, I really like that about it because अगर मैं लेंस लगा रही हूँ तो I obviously need to know कि बराबर लग रहा है या नहीं लग रहा है. So this is nice. This is really nice. This is very magnifying, very magnifying. Like मैं इधर रख रही हूँ तो मुझे एकदम you know एकदम zoom में दिखा है मेरी आँख. So I got 3 shades. Let me talk about those 3 shades. So it is Queen Brown. This is a very famous shade. I got Egypt Brown. This is a very famous shade again, and I got Polar Light Brown. Now my hands are sanitized, don't worry about that. I have a sanitizer with me right here because of course एक बार ऐसा हो गया था that the lens got stuck in my eye and then I couldn't remove it. Then doctor had to use, I went to a hospital, doctor had to use a tweezer to get it out, and then I was told for 1 week I cannot open my eyes because I had scratches on my cornea. So guys, learning from me, please be very careful with your lenses. Very careful. This is how the Queen Brown looks like. It's supposed to be a greenish color. I'm really skeptical about using this. I've never used this tool and I really don't know how it's going to perform, but दे दिया है तो let's try. नहीं चला तो फिर हाथ से तो यूज़ कर ही लूँगी. I don't know if you like it, but I kind of like it. So I have previously tried out green. Okay, I'm so sorry. I did not really like जो green India में मिलते हैं. I have tried Symphony green from Symphony olive green या ऐसा कुछ तो है from Olens. I did not really like the color is okay, but it's not something that will stand out a lot. This does stand out. So see, you can't see the ring actually because it makes it look so natural, and I really like how this looks. I'm really nervous about these. This is in the color Egypt Brown, and like I don't know, I'm just you know really nervous because this is a pretty dramatic one as far as I've seen the reviews and I've seen it on people. It looks really dramatic and I have never worn so dramatic, like such dramatic lenses. So I'm really excited as well as nervous for this. So I know it looks super dramatic. I really did not want it to look this dramatic. I've never worn something that looks this dramatic, but I think it doesn't look that bad. Like I'm sure मम्मी देखेगी तो यही बोलेगी कि भूत लग रही है या डरावनी लग रही है. So the people who know me, they know that I always stick to these light brown colored lenses. that is my patent and I always look like that. Like उसमें कुछ change नहीं है. The brown color was my jam. It was my jam for the past 5 years, but I think now I will have to go a little crazy and I'll have to probably wear these outside. I love to wear these outside ना, ठीक है. So yeah, let me know which color do you really like on my eyes and which suits me according to you. Really comfortable to wear. It's so damn comfortable to wear. Trust me. मैं बोल रही हूँ it's comfortable to wear. तो I have like suffered the worst pain from lenses. So trust me on my words. It is really comfortable to wear. I'm trying the last color. I'm really sorry if the lighting is changing because it's getting cloudy now and I'm really worried. So I'll show you the color. पास से. This is Polar Lights Brown. I don't know what to say. I have never worn such a light shade again. वापस वही बोल रही हूँ. I know it's boring for you, but trust me, यार, I've never worn such a shade. So comfort factor से देखा जाए बहुत easily, it goes into your eye and like it's very comfortable. Doesn't feel like heavy lenses है करके. Even if there even power है, फिर भी it doesn't feel heavy. It feels very comfortable and doesn't irritate. कुछ जल रहा वल रहा कुछ नहीं. So all in all, I would say because it looks fine on me, it will suit all dusky skin tones. It will look good even on dark eyes, even if you have like pitch black eyes. Pitch black कोई word होता है, I don't know. If you have black eyes, it will still look good on you. I think at this point you will feel कि सारे के सारे lenses are looking like exactly same. कुछ difference नहीं पता चल रहा होगा, but there is a difference. I don't know light ऐसा है कि it's not capturing or what, but this is more of a grey toned. Like Polar Lights Brown में brown जैसा तो कुछ भी नहीं है, but I still like the color. But yeah, it's very very out there. So one thing I completely forgot to mention is that they accept payments. पहली बात prepaid ही. Secondly, only via PayPal. They do not accept any payments through credit card, debit card, net banking, Google Pay, Paytm, UPI जो भी है, ये सब कुछ भी accept नहीं होता. COD तो भूल ही जाओ. So they only accept payments through PayPal, and if you don't have a PayPal account, there's no way you're ordering from here. So yeah, I also did not have a PayPal account. If you're wondering, I do not have a PayPal account. I had to tell my friend. My friend had to tell somebody else, and that's how it got arranged. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below and let me know which one was looking good on me. And I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.